clears. Minus 74 by 9. Yes, exactly correct answer. This is correct answer. Next, another one. Go through another one. This one. So this is also previous HSTR question. Previous HSTR question. Answer is 17. Okay. X power 6. This is in the form of x power 6 minus 1. So answer is 18 minus 1. 17, exactly correct answer. Okay, nice. Next, after that, this one. Okay, 0.0114, exactly correct answer. Yes, we can convert 144 divided by 1 divided by 1000. Mean 144 divided by 1000 is equal to 144 by 10x. Cancel. So 1000 is equal to 144 upon 10x. From this, x is equal to 144 upon 10,000. So answer will be 0.0144. Correct answer. Yes, Swapna says 2. Next answer. Okay, next answer. This one. I think it is 2 because x is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Nice. Yes, Suma, when you completed algebra first class, means day before yesterday I completed. Day before yesterday. Again, this also. Is it x is equal to 2? I don't know. So 3 square 9 plus 1 by 9. That is nothing but 81, 82 by 9. Exactly. X is equal to 2 will be correct answer. Okay. And this one sum is nothing but 1 by x plus y plus 1 by x minus y. That is nothing but 1 by x plus y into x minus y. Its value will be x minus y plus x minus x plus y. Here plus y minus y cancel, 2x divided by x square minus y square. Yes, 2x divided by x square minus y square. Okay, over. Yesterday's class problems over. Nice, everybody did correct. Okay. Now let us move on to another topic. In this only. Yes, Susharani, you said 576 divided by 25. That is first one, I think. Okay. Yes, that is correct answer. 576 divided by 25. Exactly correct. I'm going fast. Fast means already I did know. This is the previous one, no? And that's why I'm doing fast because it is getting too late. That's why we need to start another class. Okay, na? Smita, right? Next. Today. Yes. Those are given homework. Now we are moving to one more topic in this. That is whenever you know sum of the roots as well as product of the roots. So what is equation or quadratic equation when alpha comma beta are roots? Then what will be the equation? X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha as well as beta. Okay, na? So this is about quadratic. Then in cubic equation, when alpha, beta, gamma are roots, then what will be the cubic equation? X cube minus of alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. Okay, right. So this is quadratic equation whenever roots are given. Whenever roots are given quadratic equation. Okay. For this quadratic equation, we will have two conditions. Sum of roots. You know what is sum of roots? Minus b by a. Product of roots. Product of roots. What will be? Is equal to c by a. Whenever the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given, for that sum of the roots as well as product of the roots. Okay, yes. For cubic equation, for this sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Next, product of the roots alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a, where ax square ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0 is cubic equation. For this, product of the roots, sum of the roots. Okay, so this is for cubic equation. Cubic equation. Okay, na? This is the condition. And what about alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta is equal to uh, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. C by a for these product, and for this alpha beta gamma minus d by a, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Okay, generally we will discuss quadratic equation only. Next, we will move on with some examples. One example I will take. If 2 comma minus 5 are roots, then quadratic equation. What will be the quadratic equation? Answer: if 2 comma minus 5 are roots of the quadratic equation, then what will be the quadratic equation? Easy, very easy. Alpha comma beta, or 2 comma minus 5. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus 5. How much? Sum of the roots is nothing but minus 3. Okay, product of the roots alpha beta is equal to, okay, x square minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Product of the roots 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 10. So x square minus of alpha plus beta into x, okay, plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So the answer will be x square plus 3x. 2 minus 5 minus 3. So plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Right. X square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Yes, easy to do. Now I am going to give one more problem, that is 2 by 3 comma 4 by 5. Another example. If roots are 2 by 3 comma 4 by 5, then quadratic equation. What will be the quadratic equation? Okay, whatever you said, that is correct. Now another question. If the roots are 2 by 3 comma 4 by 5, try to do try to do the answer. Anybody? So let me do solution. So what will be the solution? So alpha plus beta is equal to sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. So LCM will be 15, 10 plus 7, 17. Not 17. This is 4 3s are 12. 12. So means 22 upon 15. Okay, so many persons did. Let me check. Alpha beta is equal to how much? 4 2s are 8 divided by 15. So then equation is x square minus of 22 divided by 15x plus 8 divided by 15 is equal to 0. From this we will get the equation in the form of LCM will be 15. So 15x square minus 22x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. Yes. Who said? Everybody said correct answer. So here I will give one shortcut method to this. Check it at once. Shortcut method. What is 2 divided by 3? Next to 4 divided by 5. First to 5 3s are 15. You got 15. Okay. After that 4 2s are 8. You got 8. Next 5 2s are 10. Okay. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 3s are 12. So it will be 22. Okay na? Direct shortcut method. So first 5 3s are 15, x square coefficient, 4 2s are 8 constant, and multiply these two, you will get x coefficient. Okay. So this is easiest method whenever fractions given. Okay na? Now let me give one more question, easily you can do, that is minus 2 by 3 comma 3 by 5 are roots. Then quadratic equation. Very easy. You can do it. minus 2 by 3, 3 by 5. Check it. Easy to you. Easily you can do. What will be the answer? So very simple. 5 threes are 15x square minus 5 twos are 10, 3 threes are 9. 10 minus 9, that is minus 1, into x. 3 twos are 6 is equal to 0. So 15x square plus x, 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. 6x. No, 6x, not 6x. Okay. So first from these two, 15, and last one minus 6. 5 twos are 10, minus 10 plus 3 threes are 9. So its value will be minus 1. So answer will be 15x square 6x. Everybody saying 6x? No. You can do in original method also. What is that equation? That is sum of the roots. That is how much? Minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. It will be 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10 plus 3 threes are 9. Same answer we get. Same answer. This will be the correct answer. Okay. So whenever roots given, alpha comma beta given, you can find equation of the quadratic equation easily. Okay. Now let us move on to one more condition. Okay. What about nature of roots? Nature of roots. So nature of roots will be, how it will be. So nature of roots means, suppose I have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given. This is quadratic equation. It has how many roots? 2 roots. Okay, it will have 2 roots. That is known to everybody. So here discriminate b square minus 4ac. This is called a discriminant. Okay. In this discriminant, if delta greater than 0, then what we can say that roots are real, or EAL, real and distinct. So whenever delta greater than 0, roots are real and distinct or different. Okay. If delta is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Whenever delta less than 0, then roots are imaginary. And complex numbers. Complex numbers. Okay. Yes, imaginary. We can say that complex numbers, those will be in the form of a plus ib. where I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is about the nature of the roots. Based on this nature of the roots, we will have one question. Yes, Bhagya says discriminant less than 0, no real roots, only imaginary. Okay, yes, that is correct. Imaginary, that is nothing but complex numbers. Okay, right. So that is correct answer. Now I will write one question. Uh, is there I have written? Okay, let us start the question. This is the question. 2x square plus 3x plus k is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. QE means quadratic equation. It has equal roots. Then what will be the value of k? That is the question. 2x square plus 3x plus k is equal to 0. Quadratic equation has equal roots. Equal roots. What will be the value of k? You can guess. Answer will be easy. Yes, Bhagya says 9 divided by 8. No, she changed her decision. So let me check. Suma as well as Bhagya said 9 divided by 8. So I will try. Has real roots, real and equal roots. 2x square plus 3x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Equal roots means delta is equal to 0. Hence, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here, a value 2, b value 3, c value k. So, b square, k square, no, b square is nothing but 3 square. 9 minus 4 into 2 into k is equal to 0. That implies 9 is equal to 8k. The answer is k is equal to 9 upon 8. That is exactly correct answer. Yes, everybody said Darakshan, Usharani, next who Suvarna, Jyoti, Rekha as well as Jaya Padma. So everybody you said correct answer. Now let me move on to another question. Roots of the equation are equal. This is previous HSTR question. Roots of the quadratic equation kx square plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 are equal, then k is equal to previous HSTR question. You have to say the answer. Okay, Usharani Chaitra says 9 answer. Same method. Okay, Asha, you are saying 9 by 8, that is previous one. Little bit of late, but correct answer. Okay, K is 9. Renuka Bhagya. Let me check. B square is nothing but 36 minus 4 AC is equal to 0. That means 4k is equal to 36, k is equal to 9. Very easiest problem. This is previous problem. Okay, nice. Write it, no problem. That is correct. Now let me move to another question. So this is also previous HSTR question. Previous HSTR question, one more. Okay. What will be? The sum and product of the roots of the equation. Sum of the roots, product of the roots respectively. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer came from Usharani is 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. Sum of the roots. So 2x square minus 8x is equal to 0. So here sum and product of the roots, no? So for this, what should I write? From this, x is common. X is common or 2x is common means what we get? X minus 4 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4. So I got two roots. Sum, what will be sum? 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, and product is equal to 0 into 4. Answer will be 0. So the answer is this one. No, not B. Direction not B. The answer is 4 comma 0. Yes, most of the persons did. Okay. Sum of the roots, product of the roots, or we can say in this method also, sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is equal to minus of minus 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Product of the roots c by a, that is equal to 0 upon 2. Two methods. In any method you can say. Okay. This is answer. Asha, Sajid also correct said. So two problems we did. Yes, Usharani, yes, I did in this method only. Okay. In first method or second method, you can apply any of the methods. Okay. Right. Next, let me check this one. See this question. Little bit of interesting question. The equation 2x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0 has roots alpha comma beta. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta, alpha divided by beta plus beta divided by alpha? This is the question. Okay. Renuka says 0, then product also 0. Yes, C is 0. C is 0 means product will be 0. Okay, next question. So let me do this problem. Solution. If you understood this problem, next one HSTR problem will be there. Previous question, same method it will be. 2x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. So in this, alpha plus beta is equal to sum of the roots 7 by 2, and product of the roots alpha beta is equal to 12 by 2, 6. Okay, sum of the roots minus b by a. Right. After this, the question was asked alpha divided by beta plus beta divided by alpha value. How can we write alpha beta? Alpha square plus beta square, LCM. Okay. Next, that is equal to, I will write it as alpha square plus beta square. We can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. Isn't it? Okay. Sahana as well as Bhagya did 1 by 24. Both said 1 by 24. Let me check. So, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. You can check it. So, alpha plus beta whole square means 49 by 4 minus 2 into alpha beta value 6 divided by alpha beta value 6. We need to simplify. Okay, we need to simplify. Then what we get? 49 minus 6 to the 12, 4 the 48 divided by 24. So answer is 1 divided by 24. Yes. Who said? Sahana Bhagya first said, after that Suvarna, Suma nodded, Chaitra also said correct. 1 upon 24. Yes, Sajida 7 by 4, which one you are doing? I am not understanding. Okay, yes, that is correct. 1 by 24. Okay, everybody understood? Sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now I will be moving. This is previous problem. This is previous HSTR question. Okay. So problems based on algebra will be easy. Okay. Just once you concentrate in last HSTR exam. Okay, Suma, you are saying that please can you explain once again? Okay, why not? Let me explain once again. Okay. See how to do problem. Very simple. First we need to find alpha plus beta as well as alpha beta. Question was asked as alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. That is nothing but LCM alpha beta. What we get? Alpha square plus beta square. Now we need to convert. How to convert? A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 2AB. These two got cancelled. A square plus B square. Okay. So this is the formula. Okay. Here how should I write? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. Substitute all values here. Okay. What about D option? Darakshan says D option. What is D option? 24 by 5. No, it is wrong. We got 1 by 24. Okay. I substituted alpha plus beta value, alpha beta value. Here I did LCM. Okay. 49 divided by 4 minus 12 by 6. That is nothing but 49 minus 48 divided by 24. Okay, one more question. Why we not put the values alpha square and beta square directly? Alpha square, beta square. How can you substitute alpha square plus beta square directly? Just we have only relation alpha plus beta, alpha beta. How can you write alpha square beta square? No, that is not possible. Okay, from this only we will get the relation. Okay, next, I think Suma understood. Chaitra, one more question. We don't have alpha square and beta square values. Yes, yes. We didn't have, we have only these alpha plus beta as well as alpha beta. Whatever the resources we have, we need to utilize those only. Okay? Yes, yes, okay, understood, understood. Right. Now let me do another one. Yes, this is previous HSTR question. Previous HSTR question. The difference between the roots of this quadratic equation is 4. Then P is equal to. This is the question. P is equal to. So difference between the roots means alpha minus beta is 4. Difference between the roots is 4 given. We need to find P value. Very easy question. Okay. The answers are plus or minus 3 by 2, plus or minus 7 by 2, plus or minus 5 by 2, plus or minus 9 by 2. Okay. What will be the answer? Anybody? Or shall I try? You can try. You can try. I will give little bit of time to you. You can try because you are going to appear for HSTR exam. This is previous question. Anybody or any guess? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options are there. Shall I start? Okay, I am starting. So 4x square minus 8px plus 9 is equal to 0. This is given. Difference is given. So we know alpha plus beta, sum of the roots minus of minus 8p divided by 4, that is nothing but 2p. Okay, one answer came plus or minus 5 by 2 from Ashwini. Let me check. So alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta value I have 2p. Next, alpha beta value, how much? Product of the roots c by a, 9 by 4. I have alpha beta as well as alpha plus beta. Okay. Now difference. For difference we need to search. Just before problem we did means a little bit of change. Alpha minus beta whole square. How to write this value? Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is the key. Okay. So a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is equal to a minus b whole square. Okay. So this is the key because I need alpha minus beta. Okay. Right. Let us substitute. Alpha minus beta whole square means 4 square. is equal to alpha plus beta value 2p whole square minus 4 alpha beta value 9 by 4. 4 cancel. 16 is equal to 4p square minus 9. That implies 4p square is equal to 16 plus 9. So the answer is p square is equal to 25 by 4. The correct answer is p is equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. Yes, Ashwini started. And after that Usha Rani said, but Anju, oh, I think it was wrong, minus 3 by 2. So the answer is plus or minus 5 by 2. Okay, plus or minus 5 by 2. As Ashwini said, that is correct answer. Alpha plus beta whole square. Yes. See this. Same condition I am going to explain once again. If you have alpha plus beta as well as alpha beta, then alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay. Jaya Padma, you didn't understand? I am saying once again. Right, see this. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Why? Because simplify this, alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. So its meaning is alpha minus beta whole square. Okay, see it once. Alpha minus beta whole square value, this one. Okay. What I have in question, see this, alpha plus beta value 2p, alpha beta value 9 by 4. Okay. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2p, alpha beta is equal to 9 by 4. In question, difference is 4. Simple one. This is simple method. Difference is 4 given. 4 square. Just substitute in the question. That's it. I didn't do anything. Vanita, please try to understand. Just what I got. Sum of the roots, product of the roots. Okay. Sum of the roots, product of the roots I got. And after that, I am substituting in this because difference is given. Alpha minus beta is equal to 4. Okay. So alpha plus beta you have 2p whole square. It is not lengthiest one, easiest one. Alpha beta is equal to 9 by 4. Just from this you need to find. Okay. I did little bit of with expansion. Okay, now to understand I did more steps, but it is easy, very easy. See this, 4 cancel. 16 is equal to 4p square minus 9. From this you can find p value. Very easy. Okay. The main key is this one. Sum of the roots, product of the roots. Okay. Once you go through, it will be easy. That's why in previous problem I did one more condition. These are essential, important. In further, some of the problems we can apply. Okay, na? Nice. Next. See another problem. See another problem. Question. What is given in question? So, x square plus 4y square plus 4y minus 4xy minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is given. One, we need to find factors. What will be the factors? Okay. So, what will be the factors? Factors, I think here question is given differently, but answers are in differently. Okay. Let me change the question. Instead of x square, y square, I will write it as xy, ab. So, a square 4b square minus plus 4b minus 4ab minus 2a. Change the question as a square b square b a b a. Okay, so this is the question. We need to find factors. What will be the factors? Now I will take these a square plus 4b square minus 4ab. From this I will write as a plus 2b whole square. Next, what about remaining? Remaining will be minus plus 2ab b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 4b minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. From this I will write it as a plus 2b whole square. From this I will take out 2 common. We will get a minus 2b. This is minus. So a square minus 4ab plus 4b square is equal to a minus 2b whole square. This is minus 2b whole square. Okay, a minus 2b whole square minus 8 is equal to 0. Now I will take a minus 2b is equal to x. Then what we get? X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can find minus 8 by multiplying minus 8 means 4 2s minus 4 plus 2. So that implies x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then what we get? X common x minus 4 plus 2 common x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then its answer will be x means a minus 2b minus 4 into a minus 2b plus 2 is equal to 0. So The factors will be this one. So what will be the answer? Among four options, a minus 2b minus 4, a minus 2b plus 2. Who is saying Jyoti? A minus 2b whole square? No? Yes, that is correct. See once again, from these first, second, third, a minus b whole square form I written, and next 4b minus 2a minus 8. From these I have taken minus 2 common. Okay, minus 2 common, and it is in the form of a minus 2b, a minus 2b. A minus 2b is equal to x I have taken. So simplify and substitute. Okay, so this method is also important. This is also important method. Okay, na? Right. Next, so I have given some problems to you. Okay, some problems. Note these problems or check these problems. So in next class, you have to do all these problems, and after doing the problems, I will check which one correct, which one wrong. Okay. Yes, directly Usharani says option B. Okay, that means previous one, no? Right. This is one of the problems. Next, I will be moving to another problem. If the sum of zeros of quadratic progression, quadratic polynomials 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 3, then the value of k. Asha, any short method or tricks, sir? It is very lengthy. Any shortcut, of course, wherever shortcut methods will be there, I have given. Okay, little bit, some of the problems will have to do, and these problems are not able to substitute also. One method is there for this problem. One method is there. What is that method? Asha, check it once. I will write the question clearly. Ax square. Let me write the question clearly. So what is the question? A square plus 4b square plus 4b minus 4ab minus 2a. So for this, one more method is there. What is one more method? The method is multiply these. Check whether the answer came. Multiply these. Check whether the answer came. I will multiply this a into a square. In this way you have to do a into 2b minus 2ab, a into 2, 2a minus 2b into a minus 2ab, c minus 4ab. Okay, in this way you need to multiply totally. If the option is fourth one, you have to do all these multiplications. Okay, Asha, I think you got it. So two methods are there. First method is by doing the problem, or second method is multiply. Okay, multiply, certainly you will get the answer. See, A square came, minus 4ab came, okay, and remaining will also come. Understood? See next problems. So this is one of the problems, and this is second problem. Now let me move to third problem. Plenty of problems are there. Next, another problem is also there. Okay, another problem is also here. Next, you can do another problem. Okay, this much of problems you have, you can solve these. Okay, in next class we will check these problems, and after that we will move on to, yes, one more question, Sahana. What is the meaning of sum of zeros? You're saying that sum of zeros nothing but roots. Roots. Where it was simple. In quadratic equation, roots we say. In quadratic polynomial we say zeros. Zeros nothing but which we are going to substitute. Okay, so quadratic equation we will call roots. In quadratic polynomial we will call zeros. Understood? Okay, so Afrina, this question answer is 9. Answer also said. Okay, let it be. In next class we will meet again with these problems and some of the interesting problems with some interesting problems. Until then, good night. Thank you.